Hey there. Ruru. Emerson. Hey, babe. Hey, sweetie. What's this?
Baby.
Is that Mommy's favorite word? What's this?
Baby.
Okay, what's this one?
Baby.
No, what is this one?
Baby.
Bear. He's
Baby.
bear. Pooh. What's that?
Fish.
What's that?
Chichi.
Turtle. You say turtle?
Chichi.
Okay. What's this? What's this?
Baby.
That would be a ball. Thank you. Hey, Roo. What's a cow say?
Boo.
What's a kitty cat say?
Bye.
What's a doggy say?
Oh, oh.
What's a horsey say?
Kee.
What's a sheep say?
Bye.
What's a tiger say? What's a lion say?
Boo.
What's a lion say? A lion says roar.
Bye.
What's a bear say?
Bye.
Huh? I didn't hear that one. Yeah. What's a baby say?
Baby.
What's Ruru say? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Can you say doggy?
Oh, oh.
Uh-huh. That's what a doggy says. Can you say doggy?
Oh.
Can you say Riley? Can you say papa?
Baby.
Honey, can you say papa?
Baby.
Papi. Can you say gamma?
Baby.
Can you try it one more time? Gamma.
Daddy.
Can you say grandpa?
Baby.
Pops. You say grandpa. Pop.
Baby.
There you go. Can you say mama?
Baby.
Can you say mama?
Baby.
No, say mama. Can you say Gigi? Say it again. Gigi. Gigi. Can you say Brooksy? Can you say Nikki? So you all notice it all kind of sounds the same, but different. What's that?
Baby.
And that's Mommy's favorite word, Bobby. All right, so let's say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. There.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.